Hello and welcome back dear subscriber. Today in this video we are going to write a C program to find largest among three values. So already we have done a similar type of questions in the module first. And now this is the second question. So let's see the syllabus, what is difference in this question and what was difference on the first question, what we have already solved. And then we will also talk about the syllabus, so it will be better clarity for you. So in module 1 we have solved here find maximum of three values using conditional operator. So there is different type of operator. From that, using conditional operator we had to solve them. Now in module 2 we have to find max of or largest among three values using decision making statement. So decision making statement is else if, so like that there is decision making statement. So we have used that and we have to find here. So that is the difference. And we have already completed module 1 and also first question in module 2. So this solution is available under the playlist of C Programming Lab Capsule. And this remaining question solution will be provided in upcoming video one by one. And at end of this series, we will conduct different type of assessment at different level to check your understanding and brainstorming. So if you have any other question related to C or any other program, so let us know in the comment section. We will try to provide solution on that and try to make a detailed video so you will get some help from our end. So now let us move towards the coding without wasting any time. So dear, here we are going to find largest of three values. So first we need to read three values. So values can be decimal type, integer type. So we have to declare data type float, and value we can just value for A, B and C. So there is three different values. Now we have to read that value from user. So enter three values. So we are telling the user to enter three values. So how to take that input using a scanf? Yes, you are right. And data type is the float. So we are using percentile F. So there is three values we are reading under one scanf. So we are using 3 percentile F, M% A, M% B, M% C. So we are reading three values. Now it is time to find which one is the maximum. So if A is greater than B, and so we can write AND operator like that, 2M% is the AND. So A and B, then what will be the value? So if it is greater than, then print up, and we can write largest is percentile, yeah, and that is A here. Else if, so we can write else if B is greater than A and B is also greater than C, then print of largest, largest is percentile, yeah, and that will be B. Else, that will be third condition. So we will check everything after writing this code. Largest is percentile, yeah, and that is C. So let's run and check whether it is working perfectly or not. So you can see it is showing there is error or something error. So what is error? Can you spot out? Can you debug it? So it is exactly telling in line number 11. So see here, and we have used A and D. So it is not valid in C and will be written like this. So here I have introduced you with how to debug the code. Okay. So this is the new concept. Similar way, I will keep on adding in upcoming video. One concept I will keep on adding for your understanding. So let's assume 2, 5, 6. So see, it is telling largest is 6. Okay. Another scenario, we check 5, 3, 4. So 5 is the maximum. Another scenario, 3.5, and another is 1.2, and next is 9.5. So it is telling 9.5 is largest. So this is all about this programming. If you have any doubt, please let us know. We will definitely try to reply you. And if you have any other question, let us know. And if you really like the content, then please do subscribe the channel. Share this video with your friends, colleagues, and seniors, juniors, whoever is interested in the programming. And I promise you, if you will watch all the video under this playlist, then definitely at end of this series, you will be one of the basic C programming experts. So please keep on learning and do subscribe the channel. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Happy learning.